Welcome back to GB's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable the stop start feature on your Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio. It's a feature I can't stand, and yes, there is a button to disable it, but every time you start the car you have to press the button. There are some cars out there that you can pull a relay and it'll disable it. Unfortunately, as far as I know, on the Giulia and Stelvio you cannot do that. So I bought myself one of these. So this is a bypass which tricks the car into thinking that that everything's okay, that it's working, but in fact it's going to keep it on. Keep the car on, that is. So in here we get a trim tool, which is great. I'll probably use my own. That's quite nice, from Continental. And here's the device itself. Stop and start, or start and stop deactivator. Alfa Romeo Giulia Stelvio, made in the EU. And some instructions. So everything from removing the trim to what to look for. So we'll give that a quick read and then we'll go and make the change. Okay, so it seems straightforward enough. We will start with pulling the trim out. If you haven't done this before, pulling trim out is always a little bit nerve-wracking the first few times. You always think you're going to break something. I have to say I've done it a few times. I'm not brave enough to just go at it. So we'll take our time. It's quite stubborn. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. So that was easy enough. Now we're going to take this plug out. There's a little lever here you need to push, and I think it should just release. There we go. Good. Now we're going to put this in. I'm pretty sure it only goes in one way. Yep. Okay, so this end plugs into the cable coming from the dash. Make sure that we hear a click when it goes in. There we go, click. And another click. Then we're going to push this in. And reseat this. There we go. And that's it. We are done with the installation. So I just went and quickly grabbed the key so I can do a test and see if we turn the car on, this light should come on according to the instructions. So I don't know if I need the car on or if I can just put the ignition on. We'll try just the ignition. There we go. So it's working. Lots of bongs and bings, tire pressure, so we'll have to sort that out. But that was really easy. 3 minutes at most, I would think. And I'm looking forward to not having to push that every time. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you got some value out of it, and catch you next time.